In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a stunning wedding website on Squarespace. Creating a personalized wedding website can be a wonderful way to share all those important details with your guests. So let's jump right in and walk through the process step by step. First, let's visit Squarespace. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. Opening up the platform is our starting point, and having an account will let you save all your hard work. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, you need to focus your attention on the lower left-hand corner of your screen. There you'll see your profile icon. Click on it to proceed. Inside your profile, look for the option that says Create Website and click on it. This option is going to lead you into the exciting process of getting your wedding website up and running. Now, once you're in the Site Topic selection, choose Weddings. This will ensure you're guided to templates and tools tailored specifically for weddings, keeping the entire design aligned with your theme. After selecting Weddings, hit that Next button. Moving forward, you'll need to select a template. Here, you want to click on Choose a Template. Squarespace offers a variety of beautiful templates, so take a moment to scroll through them and find one that resonates with your style and the kind of experience you want to create for your guests. Got your favorite template? Great. Now click Start with this design. Once your template is loaded, you'll be directed to the editing section. Click Edit Site and then Edit once again to enter the customization mode. Now this is where the magic truly happens. Feel free to customize everything according to your needs and preferences. Think about it as painting your own digital canvas dedicated entirely to your special day. A nifty feature to explore here is the Add Block option. See this as putting together a puzzle, piece by piece. You can add your treasured images or videos, perhaps a montage capturing the story of your relationship. It's the perfect way to share cherished memories with your loved ones. If you're looking to make your site even more informative, you can incorporate forms for RSVPs or add a map. This will provide your guests with a helpful visual guide to locate your venue without hassle. There's also a menu block feature that comes in handy for listing the menu. It can help accommodate guests with specific food preferences, allergies, or dietary restrictions. Feel free to browse through other features that you believe should be part of your wedding website. This is your platform, so make it as comprehensive and welcoming as you like. After you've finished adding all those personal touches, don't forget the final step. Click Save to ensure all your efforts are secure, ready for sharing with your guests. Congratulations, you've just built your wedding website on Squarespace.